Told y'all I was gonna get out here, man. Just casting skies. Look at them skies up there. You know what I mean? Far away from home. Me and Pepsi girl. Come on. We down. We got a dog ahead of us. We downwind. She catching the smells. They hitting her all in the face. She can't take it. Huh? Look at it. Come on, let's go. Come on, mamas. Get a close-up on her for y'all, man. Get some detail on this dog for y'all, man. That's detail. Look at that back. Huh? I want to get some detail. So y'all can really see what's going on here, man. Huh? See the detail? So y'all can see what's going on. It's a good looking dog, man. That's breeder dad kennels there, man. Huh? What's up, mamas? Huh? Let's go. Come on. I don't want to get y'all dizzy, man, because she going to be everywhere with it. All these smells, you know. Weather's breaking, man. A little pollen in the air. You know, it's a little windy. Everything's catching her nose, man. You know, but we out here. We walking, man. You know what I mean? We out on the land. You know what I mean? We out here, boy. Getting our walk on, baby. I walked last night around, what was it like 3 in the morning. We got it in a little bit. Not major. You know, I walked Pepsi, Pumpkin, and Juice Man. You know, I can't really walk Macho and Buttercup like that. She in heat. You know, I want no dog to run down on her. And then he, you know what I mean, he's very, you know, being that she's in heat and they've been together, you know what I mean, he's very, little, you know what I mean, a little aggressive, you know what I mean. You know, he got an attitude. He walking around with his chest out, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. If you know, you know. You know what I mean. His ego's on another level right now. You know what I'm talking about. But we out here walking. You know what I mean? Building that testosterone. You know what I mean? We both, you know what I mean? Bro, I'm building testosterone, man. I'm out here getting it, man. You know, I'm gonna go in here and get Pep and Pumpkin. We gonna walk too, man. I walked Juice Man already. Man, we went on a little walk. We ain't go too far. You know what I mean? He was thirsty. He was licking the concrete. He was trying to get the rainwater off the ground. He was embarrassing me out here like I don't take care of him or something. You know what I mean? So I brought him back going in and got him some water, man. You know what I mean? It's fishing season. The water hole going crazy. I don't know if I get my phone that good. They down there getting it. They down there fishing, man. You know what I mean? They down. I can't get a look. I think you see them two. They fishing. They getting to it. You know what I mean? Back to me though, man. It's gonna be a long-winded video, man. Cause we out here, man. Me and Pumpkin gonna get out here too, and I'm gonna send y'all another video, man. It warmed up though. It's nice. The weather is nice. You know, I took off my flannel, man. I took that flannel off. I was baking, man. I was out there with Juice Man. I was baking, man. I was cooking with grease. You know what I mean? We out here, man. We moving and grooving, baby. You know what I'm talking about? Shoot, we got a nice little pace going. You know? Real, man. I bought me an extra large pizza last night, man. I mean, I won't get too heavy, man. Summer coming, you know what I mean? I want to fit my clothes too, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, I bought me an extra large pizza. I still got some. I got like 6 slices left. I'm gonna knock them down after these walks, though. I ain't gonna hold you up. They going down. They going down. You know? Pretty soon I'm gonna end this because I gotta cross this the street. I don't want to get hit by a car. You know what I'm talking about? It's safe to be on the phone out in the park, man. It's wide open. You know? Come on. Yeah, man. Get out and enjoy the weather, man. Hello, how you doing? She's pretty good. She's pretty good. Get off this phone. Let me get off this phone, man. Y'all know what it is. Breathe or die. Catch you on the flip side. Peace. Don't forget to like, subscribe. You know what I mean? Share. Ring that bell. Catch you on the flip side.